In this lesson, we're going to learn about how to insert image to your website. Before we get into the HTML part, I want to show you how the browser really works with images. So think about it. We have a browser, okay? And someone's go to the browser and go to your website. Assuming that your website is called yourname.com. When the user typed yourname.com into the browser asks the web server to send the default file, which is index.html in this case, okay? So the web server found the file and then sent it back to the browser. So now the browser trying to display whatever text you have inside that file, which is the index.html file. So what's happening next? The browser realized that, oh, it looked like it needs an image. Okay? In this case, I can assume that the image name is green.jpg. But keep it in mind that it could be anything. It could be .jpg, it could be .png, and so on. We're going to get into that later. So the browser actually asked for this image to the web server. The web server found the image and then they sent it back. And so on, they will be repeating the same process until the browser get every image from the web server. However, this process is so fast that it's like you will not even think about it. You will not even realize that the browser is asking the web server to send those images. And so on, we'll do it like so fast again. The only problem will come when you have a really large image. So if you have like a really large image, the web, like the browser would take longer to load. And remember, guys, if a person is visiting your website and like I don't know, like probably 3 seconds, if the whole website doesn't load in 3 seconds, the user would definitely step back. Like, okay, this website is slow, and just because 3 seconds, it will say like the website is so slow. But we're gonna talk about image size later. Okay. So again, the browser go ahead and ask for the image, ask for the file, and then they realize they see an img tag, which is the tag to request an image, to display an image. It tries to ask the web server for that image, and the web server sends the image back, and it repeats the process until it loads every image that is the index.html is asking for to displays everything. Okay, so that's it for this lesson. I will see you in the next one.